Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome to the Valor channel. Today I'll show you how to make clips in OBS Studio. To do this, open OBS and click on Settings. Here we need to go to Output and enable Replay Buffer at the bottom. There it is. It can also eat up your RAM, so if you don't need it, it's better to turn it off. There. Here you can set the number of seconds it will capture, and naturally the more seconds the more memory it will use, and memory. Alright, enable it. And then head over to Hotkeys. Scroll down, and here we have an option called Save Replay. You can name it whatever you like. Assign a key here, click Apply, and now you can make clips. And if you don't need it to have this clip buffer constantly running, you can also set up a hotkey here to disable the buffer so it doesn't eat up your RAM. That's all. This was Valor. Subscribe to the channel. See you later, everyone.